This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone! Welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here again on a Monday. It is Monday. It is Monday, TikTok. It is Monday, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, X, Rumble, Kick. I'm here. Hi. Good morning. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Guys, if you have not, say hello in the chat, please. We have some things coming up, some things we have to talk about as a community. As a community, I say. Crypto Daily News. Thank you for the rose. Rose smells so good because I'm an AI now. I am an AI. I think you guys maybe have seen, my background is in the metaverse. It's virtual. Maybe I'm a virtual person. Maybe we're all AIs without even knowing it. Is that the simulation we live in? I don't know. I'm going down a rabbit hole. Hi, everyone. Say hi to me in the chat. Crypto Daily News. Thank you for joining me. Giants, hello. Oh, so you're just here to shill your TikTok page to my audience. That's not cool. Do I have a mod over there that could kick them out really quick for trying to? They're just spamming over here. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to time you guys out for a little bit. Sorry. Joe, what's up? Nice to see you. Head back to the Matrix. I know. Thank you guys for joining again. If you are here, make sure you say hello to me. We have some things we have to talk about today. I'm gonna check out who is here right now. Oh wow, we have a $10 super chat and a $1 super chat from someone that's totally not here right now. Thank you. Thank you for the contributions. I appreciate it. It was so cool seeing that pre-stream super chat. That was so zesty. So thank you. I appreciate it. We have Alexandra G, my girl, here as well. Thank you for joining. I appreciate you. We have BG, Colin McKenzie, Emma, Gordon. Nice to see you. ENF, Mike Volmer, Pharaoh Towers, Robert Curry. Nice to see you. Randy, what's up? I think I'm missing people for sure. Yeah, this is definitely glitching out. I'm definitely missing people. If you are here, please make sure to say hi in the chat so I could see Enrique. Rakibul, nice to see you. Hello. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. I hope everyone, again, is doing well today. All right, let's just get into the stream while this is a little weird right now. Oh, one for all. I am seeing some new people. Ronsky, hello. Nice. Yes, it is Ronsky. Welcome to the show. I appreciate you guys coming again. If you are here, smash these likes, share the stream out with friends. I do have some things I want to talk about, but I guess I'll go into the charts first and then talk about my news. I don't know. I guess so. I think we got to wait for more people to jump in. So we're just going to do some market recap. Oh, Kenio, hi. Nice to see you. Did you see the new rug? What new rug? I didn't see a rug. I did not see a rug today. I was on the crypto Twitters. I was doing some scrolling. If you want to elaborate on that, that would be great. Also on TikTok, make sure you guys are following me as well. We have a goal of 10,000 followers over there on TikTok. Just can't break it for some reason. Crimson, hi. Nice to see ya. All right, let's get into it. I'll talk about some stuff, some news of mine, right after we do some charts. Okay, let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, we got this beautiful crypto bubbles, a little scene right now, a little scene with our bubbles. We got BTG up 66%. I don't even know what's going on with BTG right now. That is a climb, $13 all the way up to 1946. Wow. Up 20% for the hour, 70% for the day, and 65% for the week. So this is something that's just taking off. Wow. We also have makers up 22%, OP. We also have Ton down 13%. Ton is very interesting what they have going on over there on Telegram. If you guys haven't yet, please join my Telegram group. Link is in the description. We have Doge up 4%. We have XDC up 23%. So we have some things going on for the week. We also got, again, BTG is one of these bigger gainers for the week. BSV is up 11%. We got CRV down 13%. XDC up 6%. So we have some mixed things going on, but of course, Bitcoin isn't the biggest gainer here. I don't even know if Bitcoin is on here. Oh, it is actually. Bitcoin is actually on here, but it's only up 0.4% for the day. That's so sad. Oh my gosh. No, Bitcoin. I'm wearing orange today, guys. I am wearing orange today. I am in the Bitcoin spirit. I'm here for it, you know? I am here for the Bitcoins. We're going to get into the Bitcoin chart, though. We do have $29,400 Bitcoin today, up 0.41%. And how crazy is this trading, guys? It's wild. Just kidding. So we do have Bitcoin, as you can tell. The sideways trading that we're seeing, it's just so flat. It's like so flat. It's definitely justified, though. You see the money flow. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot.
Halving.
The halving. The halving is coming up. Thank you. It's the halving. The halving. We do have Bitcoin again. The halving is less than a year away from Bitcoin. Speaking of halvings, it is happening soon. I am excited about that. We're going to talk about the other thing that's about to have soon. I just get that was funny. We do have the VWAP that is spiking up, which is good. Money flow is still in the red, which I don't like. Momentum is hitting this point that we saw back here in June, almost. And when we did see that shift with obviously that momentum when it hit this point, it was printing green dots just like it is here. And again, we pamped it up. We went from like 26.7 all the way up to 30K in the span of 2 days. So that was really interesting. Very fun. Hopefully we do that again if momentum has a sharp shift like that. Who knows? Again, you look at this volume here, and the sideways trading is so justified. Like, this is actually insane to me how sideways this all is. However, again, you look at the sideways trading that's been going on. We've been basically sideways trading between 29,100 and 29.3 since we came down to this level on July 24th. So it's been so sideways. I'm just waiting for something to happen. I don't know. Usually when Bitcoin does something like this is when it usually makes a big move. To the upside or the downside, I couldn't tell you, friends. I'm not here to give you financial advice. What I'm telling you is what's going on in the charts. However, could we pamp it up? Absolutely. Could we also drift here where this level comes back into play, the resistance of 28.4? That I don't know. That's just, again, sideways trading depends on if we have some market makers here that are saying, hey, we have the bulls pumping in. We do have some things going on with the SEC. We do have some things going on with Coinbase. We have banking turmoil again. There was the fifth bank failure of the year that literally nobody's talking about. And when we did see other bank failures, like Signature Bank went down, we did see a nice little pump there. We were sideways trading during that time as well. But we started to see some bank failures, like I said, and the bank failures really pumped us up. It really drove people to say, okay, banks are going down. We need Bitcoin. We need something that we own, something that can't be taken away from us, and something that actually holds its value, unlike our fiat currency, unlike our boring assets like gold. Cough, cough. Alexandra G! Thank you for the memberships. Guys, thank Alexandra G for your membership. If you are a member, please make sure you're smashing those member emojis. Wow, Alexandra G getting after it. Wow. This girl, her support, her love, it's just beautiful. Please shower the member emojis in the chat. That would make me so happy. Please spam your Bitcoin emoji right now for Bitcoin. And also let me know in the chat if you guys feel that we're going to have a green week or a red week for Bitcoin, because again, we're sideways trading. But we have to know that we did start a new week, so pamp it up for the new week. I'm going off today. Crypto stocks, Forex, I am going so off today. I don't know, I'm losing it. I'm losing my noodles today because I'm getting hyped up by Alexandra G, the miner that's totally still mining for the halving. I'm so hyped. I'm just breaking all cylinders today. Okay, so we are starting off this week slightly in the green. We did have a red week last week. I didn't like it. We're going to ignore it. We're going to keep going with our momentum. Again, I'm not trying to give you all just like hopium and whatever, but I am just saying, like, listen, we are about to have something beautiful happen. I don't know what it is, but something beautiful is about to happen. We have so many catalysts that are coming through.
When worldcoin emoji.
Yeah. Hopefully we have a green week. Again, volume has been freaking lazy, like a lazy river out here. So I'm hoping that we have that green money flow that's here on the weekly continuing to pamp up. The VWAP is still sideways though, which I'm not happy about. But again, things can happen. I really feel like we're on the cusp of something crazy. We're on the brink of a move. I don't know. I'm excited, guys. If you guys think we're going to have a green week, please put a G in the chat. Let me know, guys. We also have to smash these likes, share the stream out with friends. I'm way too hype. Let's talk about Ethereum, guys. We need to talk about Ethereum. It's at a level right now. It's at a level 1862. Literally midway through our range right here between 1820, another resistance in 1911. 1911 is scary relevant. Crazy relevant. Again, we're at $1,863 Ethereum, up 0.09%. So y'all really see the crazy sideways trading that's happening here. We have red money flow, VWAP popping below that zero line, which is a little scary. This is the daily chart, by the way. Momentum seems like it wants to head upwards, but I don't know, guys, what's going on. I don't know what's going on. Again, could we trend back down? If Bitcoin dips, maybe this will too. We're really barely trading right now. We're sideways. Mad sideways. Hopefully, again, we pamp it up. 1911 is our target. I just don't know what else to say for Ethereum because y'all know I say the same thing all the time. 1911 is our target. We just can't break above it. But I feel like once we do, if we have a confident push above, like to maybe 2100 level, just pop above this 1911, it might get crazy. However, we take a look at the weekly here. Last week, we did have a red week, and it seems like we were very close again to 1820. We're taking a look at market Cipher here. We do have some red money. We have some green money flow, which is good. VWAP sideways a little bit, but again, sideways trading is justified. It's a little wonky here. It's a little wonky. I feel like wonky sounds better with an accent. Wonky. Sounds a little wonky. I can't. Oh my gosh, it's actually so funny. So we're also going to talk about Litecoin as well. Okay, sorry guys. Just getting ready for our special something coming up. All right, we got the Litecoin chart here, and I'm so excited to talk about Litecoin because we have something that's about to happen live on the show for you guys. So again, make sure you guys have your X app open and ready to go, by the way. So we have some things going on with Litecoin. Litecoin is right above our resistance of $91, and 91, as always, that's what I like to talk about. Stay above $91 Litecoin. We're down 1.34% though for the day. We're taking a gander here. We have a slight red money flow. The VWAP is above the zero line, but it's making a confidence shift downwards. And when we do see confidence shifts is when we see some red candles. So again, once that VWAP had that spike up, started to head back down, red candles. And also you saw some red volume coming in that kind of even justified that move down. However, VWAP, the momentum seems like it wants to shift over that zero line, which is very interesting. But again, we're looking at this daily chart for Litecoin, and we saw that we pamped it up. We had a really nice cup and handle action, pamped it up to like 108, and then we moved up to 113. Then we went back to our resistance like 102, and we broke down a little bit, down to our first kind of crazy resistance in this little trend, which is $91. We did break above that on Friday. We were above it all weekend, but yesterday we just touched it, but didn't close there, which is interesting. Hopefully, again, we could pamp it up. Again, our next target's 96, then 102. Guys, crazy stuff. Let's take a look at the week because this is a big week for Litecoin. The halving is literally happening in a few days. I'm gonna grab the countdown for you. Green money flow coming in. There's a lot of speculation going on here. So again, will we have a green week for Litecoin? Please throw this in the chat. If you have to be a member, guys. If you guys don't have a badge next to your name, if you're not able to throw that Litecoin emoji in the chat, you need to. You need to. Guys, 2 days, 8 hours until the Litecoin halving. And because of this Litecoin halving, I am posting right now on the X app about a 2 Litecoin giveaway. Yes, my friends, You did hear this correctly. A 2 Litecoin giveaway. I literally just pressed the tweet button. I mean, the post button, because it's now a post, not a tweet. So if you guys now head over to twitter.com or x.com/missteencrypto, you guys will see this giveaway for 2 Litecoin. One person will win 2 Litecoin. What you have to do is like and retweet or repost, follow Cake Wallet and myself, and comment Litecoin. This ends on the day of the halving, which is 2 days and 8 hours away. And it will end around 5 p.m. The halving hours kind of vary on that day because, again, it's not exactly 4 years to the exact second. But it is around, I'm going to guess maybe around 5 p.m. On Wednesday. That was like kind of what I calculated it to be. But, again, the hours change. So check this out. Enter to win 2 Litecoin. Also, check out, again, our sponsor, Cake Wallet. Cake Wallet is so amazing. I'm so happy I teamed up with them to do this. I think this is just really awesome for the community and to spread the awareness about Litecoin. And hopefully, if this giveaway does well, then we can maybe have Litecoin trend on X. And that's like one thing that was like really in the back of my mind when I was like, thinking of doing like something cool. And you know, I was talking and I was just like, oh, once this giveaway came together, I was like, let's see how far this can go, and maybe Litecoin will trend on X. And I think that will just be really, really awesome. So if you guys have not, please head over to this X or this post or this tweet, whatever you would like to call it, and enter this giveaway to win possibly 2 Litecoins. And again, the halving is happening in 2 days. This is to celebrate the halving, and it will end on Wednesday at 5 p.m. Eastern. Have your DMs open. Have a Litecoin address, preferably from Cake Wallet. If you want to be extra zesty, again, please download Cake Wallet, cakewallet.com. It's on browser, iPad, iPhone, whatever you need. Whatever you need, it's there for you. Also, shout out to Bulldog for being a member. Thank you for being a member for 9 months. That's actually wild. That's really wild. So thank you. I appreciate it. Please share some love for Bulldog in the chat. So we have a lot of people in here. All right, Jim, nice to see you. Oh, we got Uncle Jimmy here. Hi, Uncle Jimmy. Where's Taco? Where's my bestie? Where's my bestie? All right, guys, again, make sure you please enter that giveaway. That's what I was waiting for. I wanted to announce that. This is so awesome, and I'm so excited. It's starting to get some movement here on the X app. Wow. Look at it go. Oh my gosh, look, we're live right there. Isn't that like some Matrix type stuff? We're like seeing each other live. Wow. Again, enter that giveaway. Enter to win 2 Litecoin. And if you would like, you could also subscribe on Twitter for exclusive tweets as well. I do post tweets for my subscribers, and I like to give my thoughts once in a while, you know, and post some news and things like that. So make sure you guys check that out. I am wearing an orange dress today for Bitcoin Zest, for Bitcoin love and stuff. Speaking of Bitcoin love, I will also, while I'm doing announcements, check in on that Litecoin giveaway again, enter to win 2 Litecoin. But I'm also going to Columbia University tomorrow, the Ivy League here in NYC, and I will be teaching a class about Bitcoin, crypto, NFTs, talking about experiences, how Bitcoin crypto is going to change the world. So that's that as well. So if you guys, I might cut the stream short tomorrow, or maybe try to go live early. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Maybe I'll just do regular time, because it takes a while, you know, traffic and stuff to get to the city. So again, I am going to Columbia University tomorrow, and I am super, 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 super duper excited getting into that Ivy League college and everything like that. Yellowwood, I will go over what's going on with Coinbase. How is Bitcoin and crypto going to change the world? It's already doing that with giving you the ability to be your own bank, own something, and transact permissionlessly without an intermediary. Yay! I'm so excited. We're literally pamping it up. Pimp it up. We gotta pimp it up. Oh yeah. Pimp it up. Oh yeah. I am so excited. Eye of the beholder. Why don't I just stream the presentation? Thank you for being a friend for 3 months, by the way. Oh shoot. Guys, please give some love to Eye of the Beholder for being a Zesty Fam member for 3 months. Shout out to you. Why don't I just stream the presentation? I don't think I'm allowed to. I think I could record me, but I don't think I could record the students. So I don't think I could do any live stream. Like, I didn't ask about that, but I also don't want to push buttons. You know what I mean? I don't think I could stream it because the students might be in it. I don't know if I could, like, if they ask me a question, if I could get their voice recorded. So it's a little bit of a gray area, but again, I'm going to go there tomorrow. I'm all prepared. I have my tripod charged. I have my phone charged. I have microphones ready, connected. So I will be ready for everything. I'm going to try to record as much as I can, whether if that's just, you know, me doing the presentation, that's fine. Whatever I can do, I will. So again, whatever content I could get out of Columbia, I will post for sure. Give you guys all of the updates. Because Columbia University, man, that is so awesome to be able to like have the opportunity to go speak there and everything like that. I've gone to other colleges as well and spoke, middle schools. I've gone back to my former high school twice, 2 years in a row. So it's just really awesome to be able to do this and just hit the streets and spread adoption, like on the ground, like boots on the ground adoption. This is everything to me. So again, enter that Litecoin giveaway. Enter to win 2 Litecoin. Get ready for everything. Get ready for the Zest. We're going to talk about news. Again, I know people are like, what's going on? What's the crazy news? I'm 100% getting there. I got you. 100% I'm got you. We're going to get into it right now. But first, Margot Robbie made some comments about Bitcoin and about all the guys that are in Bitcoin. I just thought it was funny, so I'm going to play it. It's a 30-second clip. So Margot Robbie, if you guys didn't know, obviously is in the new Barbie movie. I went to go see Barbie last week. Interesting to say the least.
100 for educating the M.
Why is it block that out? All you said was masses. Thank you. Appreciate it. If you're into Bitcoin and a man, you're giving Big Ken energy.
So funny because when we were like in prep for this movie, 2 of our wonderful producers, one of whom is also my husband, when David and Tom would like start talking about like Bitcoin or something, like Greta and I'd be like, we're being such Kens. They'd talk about golf, we're like, stop being Kens. So it's hard to define what makes a Ken, but there can also be big Ken energy, and that's a good thing.
Or as Ryan says, Kenergy.
Kenergy. Kenergy is, it's not something you can define, it's just something you can sense and you know it.
Yeah.
Do you have Big Ken energy? Oh my gosh, that's so funny. Moving on. So much drama. Oh shoot. So much drama when it comes to the insane Bitcoin news. Listen, I love my Bitcoin miners. I love everyone in this space. I do. I really do. Except Gary Gensler, because he just comes after everybody. Gary Gensler's got his feelings hurt.
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
Gary said it right there. Gary Gensler's really confusing because he was talking about how he's disappointed in the XRP ruling, how the investors are not getting fair and proper disclosure. When how can he say that about crypto companies, crypto tokens, when the SEC sent out an investor alert about crypto volatility at the beginning of 2023, yet bank stocks were actually crashing. SVB collapsed. First Republic collapsed. And now there's another bank. The 5th bank failure of the year happened. Yet, no one gets hurt in the TradFi system. No one's trying to regulate them and say, where's the disclosure? Where are you putting people's money? That doesn't happen. But he did give some information. He gave some eye-opening feelings on how he feels about the crypto space. In this video I'm about to show you, the first half he was talking about how, again, there's no fair and proper disclosure with the Ripple XRP case, how Ripple is still a security, etc., etc. How does he feel, again, about the crypto space?
A lot of investors should be aware
It's not only a highly speculative asset class, it's also one that they currently should not assume that they're getting the protections of the securities laws, even though the securities laws apply to many of those tokens without prejudging any one. But you as investors are not getting the full, fair, and truthful disclosure. And the platforms, the intermediaries, are doing things that we would never in a day allow or think the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ would do. The platforms often are commingling and trading against you and have market makers that are on the other side of your trades. And we don't allow that in the rest of our securities markets.
How is that true? He doesn't allow people to commingle funds and trade against you, yet he met with Sam Bankman-Fried behind closed doors, and he commingled funds. Sam Bankman-Fried, billions of dollars gone from everyday customers that you are supposed to protect, Gary. And what about the market makers in TradFi, where in the stock market, yes, there are people that trade against you. What about the whole Nancy Pelosi scandal? There are people that are higher than us in government that trade against the everyday people in the stock market. But he's saying that doesn't happen. That you do get true disclosure in TradFi. That's not true. But they're calling for that in the crypto market, which crypto was a lot more transparent than TradFi, because whenever crypto exchanges move something, you see it on the blockchain. But whenever banks move funds, or whenever people in hedge funds or even in our government that are trading, oh, we don't get to see any of that. Oh, we don't get transparency there, but we are protected. We are protected.
And the securities laws are there to protect you. And that's right now, this is a field rife with fraud, rife with hucksters. And there are good faith actors as well, but there are far too many that aren't.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot. We're hucksters. Bad actors. How? When every single transaction, whether that's Bitcoin, ETH, DeFi, is all transparent. Please explain this to me. Please explain this to me. There is absolutely no transparency in the traditional financial system. Not one. Not one. Oh, wow. Yeah, Gary, meeting with SBF behind closed doors. While he was commingling funds, FTT was never a security. That was all good. But no, this space is full of hucksters, bad actors that aren't here to protect you, but the SEC is. The SEC is here to protect you. Meanwhile, SBF is still in his mom's basement. Had campaign charges dropped, if you didn't see, over the weekend. Sam Bankman-Fried was leaving court, possibly for the last time, but they're saying they could throw him in jail because of Caroline Ellison, but no, he got his campaign finances dropped. How is that fair? When people in the traditional markets do trade against the everyday people, when people in Wall Street Bets said, let's get in the markets, and pumped AMC, pumped GameStop. That was one of the worst days in history for hedge funds. So they halted the stocks. How is that a free market? That's the 1% benefiting when the 99% suffers. That's what it is. It's not, we're not getting the true and proper disclosure from the SEC about who they're meeting with, about their actual feelings on Bitcoin and crypto, because when Gary Gensler was asked about Ethereum, if it was a security, he said he couldn't say what was a security, what wasn't. However, if you guys remember all the way back in 2018, what did Gary Gensler say?
Bruh.
Over 70% of the crypto market is Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. Why did I name those four? They're not securities.
Well, Gary knew well back then that Bitcoin, ETH, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash are not securities. He says this space is rife with fraud now, bad actors. Well, this is all boiling up to the point now where the SEC told Coinbase to stop trading all cryptocurrencies except for Bitcoin before suing them. This boggles my mind because Gary Gensler called on Coinbase to possibly take FTX's place in a federally regulated crypto exchange, if you guys remember that happening. Gary Gensler and the government also used Coinbase to sell their Bitcoin that they took from Silk Road. Yet now, they're still coming after Coinbase for saying that they're not a registered broker-dealer, even though they're literally publicly traded, even though they had to go through people to become publicly traded. Now the SEC says, hey, Coinbase, you can't trade any crypto except for Bitcoin. They said the SEC told the Financial Times its enforcement division did not make formal requests for the companies to delist crypto assets. But they said this is part of the course. In the course of an investigation, the staff may share its own view as to what conduct may raise questions for the Commission under securities law. The interview was, as published earlier today by the Financial Times, omitted critical text regarding our conversations with the SEC in the U.S., a Coinbase person told CoinDesk. Whether deliberately or as a result of an oversight, the author implied that the SEC ordered Coinbase to halt all trading of every crypto asset other than Bitcoin, as stated by the SEC itself further in the article. Its enforcement division did not make formal requests for the company to delist the assets. So again, they're saying that they want them... Oh, Armani.
Can't stay 'cause I'm in Florida on vacation but wanted to stop by and show some love. Yeah.
Thank you, Armani. Please yar in the chat for him. Please yar in the chat. Coinbase further added that the views shared in the Financial Times article may have represented the views of some staff at the time, but did not represent those of the Commission more broadly. We continue our discussions with the Commission. Again, on June 6th is when the SEC charged Coinbase with breaching federal securities law by saying that they were simultaneously acting as a broker, an exchange, and a clearinghouse for unregistered securities. Again, Gary Gensler said back in 2018, Bitcoin, ETH, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash aren't securities. They're commodities. He said over 3/4 of the crypto market were just cash crypto, commodities, not securities. Now, there's FUD coming out in this space that Coinbase has to delist every other coin except for Bitcoin. When this is just FUD, that it was maybe the view of some commissioners, but not the whole commission itself. So again, FUD. Stop reading the FUD online because it's all theater. It's all theater. They use Coinbase. Coinbase is an IPO. Coinbase is working with them behind the scenes. So every little thing you're hearing is just theater. Just theater. This was literally FUD. Oh my gosh, they're going to delist everything. Coinbase is going to delist everything. No. FUD. Stop listening to the rumors. Keep calm. Hoggle on. Don't listen to Gary's emotions because he's emotional.
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
The actual sheesh, man. The actual sheesh. What's really wild to me as well, what's really wild is that we had Silicon Valley Bank collapse right on our heads. Meanwhile, right before the collapse, Jim Cramer on CNBC was like, yeah, man, pick up that SVB. This is an amazing bank. They're not going anywhere. What happened right after? Yeah. Gone. This wasn't the only bank failure. Silicon Valley Bank, First Republic, Signature Bank. We now have the 5th bank failure this year. It is Heartland Tri-State Bank of Elkhart that has been shut down by the Kansas Bank Commissioner over the weekend. Why is this happening? Because the traditional financial system is close to imploding. It already is. SVB was the beginning of that implosion. We also had last week, PacWest. We were looking at that bank stock. It was dwindling. And they were the 49th largest bank in the nation. Now they're looking to sell themselves to Bank of California, which is the over 130 something largest bank in the nation. So a larger bank wants to merge with the smaller bank. That's how backwards this stuff is, guys. The traditional financial system is in trouble. Again, no one's even talking about this Bank of Elkhart that's been shut down by the Kansas Bank Commissioner, making it the 5th U.S. bank failure of the year. This is absolutely wild. But according to Janet Yellen, our economy, oh my gosh, what's going on with our economy?
And take an economy that is performing very well. We've had the fastest recovery from a downturn that we've ever seen, and the fastest recovery of any nation around the globe. The unemployment rate is near a 50-year low. The economy is doing well.
Oh, shoot. The economy's performing well. Wow. Well, I didn't know that because now a small town USA bank is just gone. This is a small town in America. This was a tiny 4-branch bank in Kansas City that failed, becoming the 4th lender to be seized by regulators this year and the 5th to fold altogether. This was the Heartland Tri-State Bank of Elkhart in Kansas. It's the smallest to go under in 2023 by far, but it had $139 million in assets when it went down on Friday. And again, this all happens on Friday. So that way, again, SVB even happened on Friday where the bank collapsed and people were stuck over the weekend concerned if they could feed their families. They're saying that it's not entirely clear why the bank went down. The Kansas office of the state banking commissioner said in a release that the bank commissioner, David Herndon, determined that the Heartland Tri-State Bank was insolvent and that it became insolvent due to an isolated event. Overall, the Kansas banking industry was unaffected by this event and banks remain strong. This is absolutely wild, but another bank in that state, Dream First Bank of Syracuse, Kansas, agreed to assume all of Heartland Tri-State's deposits and purchase essentially all of the failed bank's assets, according to the FDIC. The FDIC agreed to share losses on loans purchased by Dream First. It estimates this failure will cost the FDIC's deposit insurance fund $54.2 million. Dream First had $480 million in assets as of March 31st, making it the 1,515th largest bank in the U.S. Wow. Another bank that got purchased by another bank. This bank was insolvent, and they didn't even say why. They said this bank is insolvent, it's done now. But it was an isolated event, so even the people that had their money there, they don't even get to know why their bank is gone. The bank was fine one day, then it was insolvent the next. Do you guys see the trend that happens here? SVB, First Republic, all the same thing. One day your bank is fine, the next day your bank is not fine. And then it's getting bought by another bank, which then gets bought by a bigger bank. And then you're all consolidated into the small banks. Just 4 big banks. You're all consolidated into 4 big banks. Then it gets to 3, then it gets to 2, then it gets to the central bank alone, and then you're done. We're finite. Guys, hedge against the bank failures. Hedge against the bank runs. Bitcoin is the only thing that you're in control of because you know your Bitcoin's going to be there today, it'll be there tomorrow, and be there past your lifetime. When your bank, your money that's in the bank that you're trusting the bank to hold for you today might not be there for you tomorrow. These small town people in Kansas, they thought their bank was fine. They're like, everything is chill. Then the next day on a Friday, they're getting ready for the weekend, gonna party, have a time. Nope, your bank is insolvent. And this other bank, Dream First, is gonna buy it and acquire all of the assets. Wow. Actually, wow. But our banking system is fine, guys. The banking system is fine. Don't worry about it. I'm actually like blown away. Do I want the banks to fail? That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying, it's inevitably happening because the same people that are calling for proof of reserves on crypto projects are not doing the same for the banks. And then the banks get to do whatever they want with your money. Like Bank of America. Look at the fine they just got, $250 million, because they were double dipping in fees and creating fake credit card accounts without people's permission. So you're trusting them with your identity, you're trusting them with your data, you're trusting them with your money, which is your life, and then they're taking it and doing what they want with it. And then you're putting your money in the bank and you don't even know where they're putting it. And here's the other thing. You're like, oh, she ignored that. Those people's money are insured. People at SVB, they said, oh, your money is insured, right? But then Janet Yellen almost didn't save them and said that if your bank goes down, whether it's a small bank or a big bank, it has to be enough to cause economic collapse, for which the FDIC and the president has to sign off on recovering that bank and insuring those people. So there's not even a guarantee that your FDIC insurance is even going to be there for you. So throw that right out the window, because that's just what it is. FDIC insurance means nothing. It was a high-risk investment bank. It was for regular people. What do you mean? There's all banks for every single person. What about all these little banks that went down too? What about this one from Kansas? You can't say that it was a high-risk bank and that's why it went down. Like, you have to be realistic. You have to be realistic. Sir Lewis, thank you for the lightning bolt. It was for regular people, though. Dude, SVB, when Silicon Valley Bank went down, thank you for the heart me. When Silicon Valley Bank went down, dude, those were everyday people. These rich people, these companies use that bank for payroll. So if you go back and look at videos of SVB, it wasn't millionaires that were standing outside SVB waiting for their paycheck. It was everyday people like you and I that had families to feed that weekend, that they were worried that they weren't going to get their money out. And the FDIC, for a minute, they weren't even going to come and save SVB. So please be real. Like, no. FDIC insurance nearly means nothing. Your bank saying, oh, it's insured, means nearly nothing. SVB, it wasn't just high-risk people. Those were just a few companies. They used that money for payroll for people like you and I. No, that's so misleading. So misleading. I don't know. Am I too crazy today? Am I too freaking crazy?
Oh my God!
Wow. It's wild to me. Absolutely wild. It's just like, all of this is in front of your face, guys. Like, all of this is in front of your face. If you ignore it, that's on you. If you say in your head today, everything is fine, the traditional financial system is fine, The fact that they printed 40+% of our money supply between 2020 and 2021, that's fine. The fact that we don't have a debt ceiling possibly till 2025, that's fine. The fact that we had 5 bank failures in this country this year, well, we haven't seen that really since 2008, that's fine. Your FDIC insurance not really being there for you, that's fine. No, it's not okay. And if you're waiting until this stuff to affect your everyday life, then you need a wake-up call. You need a wake-up call. Someone needs to like shake you and be like, no, wake up. Wake up. Bitcoin, crypto, it's an everybody issue. Money is an everybody issue. When now you live in a small town and now your bank's just done like that, no, guys, you can't wait for this to hit your daily life. You have to hedge against it, which is why the only thing that can't be taken from you, the only thing that's not going to inflate to nothing is Bitcoin and even Litecoin. Finite supply, 21 million Bitcoin, 84 million Litecoin, a halving every 4 years. Peer-to-peer transactions, something that you actually own. Come on. Wow. Whoa. Freaking whoa. Fiat currency built America. Well, what else was there? They got insured. They got saved, SVB. Like, that's why people have their money now, because they got saved. But Janet Yellen literally said that even if your bank does not cause economic collapse, then you will not be insured. It's simple as that. She said it. You could go watch the podcast, man. Like, this is wild to me. You can't ignore it. You cannot ignore it. Fiat currency, it got us through what we needed to get through to get to this point. No fiat currency lasts as long as the US dollar did. Or even, there's one other one. But let's be real. Fiat currency isn't made to last. It's a system that has no end, that doesn't even make sense in the beginning. Like, that's so wild to me. These people, I believe their funds are okay in the small Kansas bank, but that's only because they got acquired. That's only because this other dream bank said, oh, we'll take those assets. So they could have said, no, we're not doing that. There could have been no acquisition. There could have been nothing. What about PacWest merging with the smaller bank last week? It just doesn't make sense. None of it makes sense. Literally, the fiat system, it's not made to last. There's nothing behind it, especially the dollar. There's nothing behind it. What backs the dollar? Nothing. Like, this is crazy. You can't ignore it. I don't know. If you want to ignore it, that's fine. But it's just wild. It's just wild. Now, smash these likes, share the stream out with friends. I don't know if we have 100 likes yet. I feel like we should. Because I'm going off today. Truly. If you haven't yet, please enter to win 2 Litecoin on Twitter. That's the thing. Enter to win 2 Litecoin. This is a fun time. If you haven't yet, do that. I'll drop that link in the live chat as I move on to my next topic, because I'm losing my noodles out here. Now, China has their CBDC. This is showing you what could happen here if a central bank digital currency hits the US. Now, China, their Hong Kong CBDC, they've been working on that since 2017 with the European Central Bank. The digital yuan, they're out to destroy you with that. Connects to your SIM card, so even if you don't have internet connection, don't worry, you can still use that Chinese yuan CBDC. The money could expire, so that the money really isn't real at that point. It's just a coupon. Your money expires. You're not in control of anything. It could literally, it's more than just a surveillance tool, because now you're linked to a digital ID, which is what WorldCoin wants to do for all the geniuses that are promoting that one. China's CBDC is linked to a digital ID. So if you are caught, for example, speeding, it will be knocked off your digital wallet by the surveillance system. Here's a video. There it is. Watching you with that camera and deducting your digital money right there. We don't want to end up like that. You don't want to put yourself in a situation where you are vulnerable, where you are now linked to a digital ID through your SIM card, so you can't even leave it. You are your digital ID. You're walking down the street, you have your car. It doesn't matter what you do, you'll never be able to escape. Which is why it shocks me that people would support something like WorldCoin, where you go up and scan your eye and give away your identity completely. It shocks me every day. Now again, this video, you're speeding, it gets taken off your digital wallet because it's connected to your digital ID. This is horrifying. Which is why I'm so happy that finally we got some pro-crypto legislation in the US over the weekend, where we have HR 4841, the Keep Your Coins Act of 2023. Let's just give it a clap. This is one of the most important pieces of legislation I've ever seen in my life. Wow, this is amazing. This was a big deal in Congress. I'm so excited to talk about it. This is the Keep Your Coins Act of 2023. The Keep Your Coins Act of 2023 has been something that other states have thrown out there before, where it's them acknowledging that you own your money, you are being your own bank, and no one can take that from you. So again, the Keep Your Coins Act of 2023, I did put out a little short over the weekend and I talked about it, but let's cover it some more. This is, again, the Keep Your Coins Act of 2023. Right here within the first few lines, you see it. It's the prohibition of restricting use of convertible virtual currency by a person to retain full control over their virtual currency. It says the head of a federal agency may not prohibit, restrict, or otherwise impair the ability of a covered user to convert virtual currency to its equivalent for such purposes, such as to purchase real or virtual goods and services for the user's own use, or self-custody digital assets using a self-hosted wallet or other means to conduct transactions for any lawful purpose. They throw some definitions in here. The convertible currency is a medium of exchange, acts as a substitute for currency, and the term covered user means a person that obtains virtual currency, and a self-hosted wallet means a digital interface used to secure and transfer convertible currency, and under the which of the owner of the convertible currency remains independent control over the convertible currency that is secured by the digital interface. Fancy words. All it means is that you have your wallet, no one can take it from you, and be in control of it. Not that they could anyway. Now your Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is covered by the law, that you are able to own it, no one can take it from you, which is something that happens anyway when you properly custody your crypto in your wallet, meaning you own your keys. No one else has them. You are your own bank. You are in control of your funds. And Keep Your Coins Act of 2023 definitely covers you in the law for that. Wild, man. Randy A said, I got my 100 likes. Woo! Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We got 100 likes. We got 100 likes. Let's go. As we should. Oh, shoot.
$100 for 100. Yeah,
Oh, shoot. Wow. That is amazing. Shout out to Uncle Jimmy. Shout out to Uncle Jimmy for the $100 super chat. Thank you, man. Gary Gensler is going to say I'm a security now. I already know what the deal is. It's like, I don't know. The only thing I think Gary Gensler loves is Uncle Jimmy. That's the only thing I think Gary Gensler loves is Uncle Jimmy. I think, Gary, do you love Uncle Jimmy more than you love me? I think you definitely do. I think Uncle Jimmy's your favorite person, Gary. This is wild, man. Absolutely wild. Thank you, Uncle Jimmy, for your $100 super chat. Bless your heart. Keep your coins active 2023 is so bullish. Oh, wait, hold on. Is the camera on me? I don't even know where it is right now. You want to see my fighting stance? Wait, hold on. Yeah, I actually can. You guys like literally get me so hype. Is Dogecoin going to the moon? Oh my god. You guys are so funny. Now, I just talked about some cool stuff, man. I did. I covered some cool stuff today. We do have some more stuff though, because there is something going on with all of these people coming into Bitcoin for the ETFs and whatnot. We already know Wisdom Tree is coming into the space. Wisdom Tree is actually really interesting. I've interviewed some people from Wisdom Tree at conferences. I've been on Twitter spaces with people from Wisdom Tree, and they are top-notch bullish on this space. Wisdom Tree, they're along with Fidelity, BlackRock, ARK Invest, and so many more on actually filing for their spot Bitcoin ETFs. This happened a few weeks ago, like in June, so like a month ago now. Wow, time flies. Now Wisdom Tree is looking to do a new blockchain native app because they don't want to leave any stone unturned. Very, very interesting. Oh, thank you for the sub. This firm manages roughly $97 billion, and they want to talk about their new focus. They said they wanted to be an early mover in tokenization. The company first previewed its plans for the app Wisdom Tree Prime back in January 2022. Upon the launch, the app was available in 21 states. And the firm was looking to add additional locations in the coming months. They currently run 9 digital funds, and they said, we look to leverage our multi-year head start through additional products with the Prime ecosystem, but also explore potential third-party distribution opportunities as well. This was from Wisdom Tree CEO Jonathan Steinberg. Will Peck, Wisdom Tree's head of digital assets, noted that the app's ambitious product roadmap, though he shared few specifics. One of the focuses is making U.S. floating rate notes or gold more like currency, allowing it to become more transactable via debit cards, for example. So now they're trying to essentially tokenize gold. With financial service firms looking to leverage blockchain tech, they're looking to deepen relationships with customers or institutional players looking for on-chain use cases with a more regulated product set. We have lots of opportunity with many ways to grow the Wisdom Tree Prime platform, Steinberg said. Oh boy, Wisdom Tree coming in with a blockchain native app to literally try to tokenize gold. If you guys are bullish on tokenization, if you guys are bullish on institutions coming into crypto, please let me know. Please let me know. As you guys are smashing these likes, of course, because you guys are totally smashing these likes and sharing the stream out with friends. And absolutely on the Twitter or x.com, because it's x.com now. You guys are checking out this epic tweet where Cake Wallet and I, because Cake Wallet is absolutely amazing, partnering to give away 2 Litecoin with me for the Litecoin halving. The Litecoin halving. We love halvings. Having, not the having, the halving. If you guys have not, please jump in on that X or that post. What is it now? I think it's a post. Meninja said you just want a Pepsi. I like Pepsi. I like Coke, though. Coke is good. Morty said, I need a BTC. Me too, bro. I'm still working to get to my 1 BTC. I'm working on it. I am working on it. If you guys are here, make sure you guys smash these likes. Also, smash those memory emojis if you're here. If you haven't yet, again, enter that giveaway for that 2 Litecoin. Again, I am going to Colombia tomorrow, and I am so excited. I'm excited to educate, to hit the streets, to talk to people in person about Bitcoin, crypto, actually leaving my house to go do things. I love leaving my house to do things. I leave my house all the time to spread adoption. And there's nothing else I'd like to do more than that. Yes, no G, I'm going to Columbia University, not like the place like Columbia, but I'm going to Columbia University, yes. Am I going live from there? I don't think I can because I can't film the students and I don't want to be too crazy with them. But I'm going to try my best. I'm going to record what I can because, again, I can't film the students. So I don't know if I could record them asking questions. I don't know exactly what I could do. But, again, like I said at the beginning of the show, when I go to Columbia University tomorrow, I'm going to be bringing my camera. I'm going to be bringing, which is basically a cellular, which is basically a phone. But it is, a good camera. It's, way better than most. So, again, I'm going to be bringing my camera, my phone. I'm going to be bringing my mics. I got my tripod charged, and then I have a bigger tripod that I'm using for TikTok right now that's my height. So I'm really prepared for anything. I also have my stickers. I have my cards ready to go. I'm charging up my laptop just in case, even though they said I don't really need it. But I'm here for that. I am so prepared. But yeah, so I'm really excited to spread adoption again. This is why I'm here, is to leave my house and do things for the crypto space and really make sure we bring adoption. Again, our goal is adoption, whether that's going to my former high school, talking to middle school kids, or going to Ivy League colleges like Columbia to go speak. I am more than happy to do whatever I need to do in order to help onboard the next generation, which is essentially what that is. I think the people that I'm teaching tomorrow around my age, or they're 18-ish. So it's really awesome to see what's going on. Again, Gen Z, crypto adoption, that is what we're here for. I don't think they know. We just announced it. What did I just announce? Did I tell you the Aventus AI community loves you at Miss Teen? Oh, thank you. I appreciate that, Zero Dune. Aww. That's so nice. I want to say hi to everyone. If I didn't say hi to you yet, please say hi to me. We have Meninja, my girl Alexandra G, always showing so much love in there. Thank you again. Lazarus, nice to see you. Potato Song, sure.
A potato flew around my room before you came.
Excuse, yeah. Meninja, no G, said you'll wait for the highlights. I got you. Dubai said you got to watch the stream again. Absolutely. Bacon, eggs, and hash. What's up? Who else we have? We have Tyler. Hi, Tyler. Nice to see you. Kenny O. What's up? Emma's in here. Branko Savage. Fight style, like the Nintendo 64 character. Yeah. All Set Miner. Nice to see you as well. King Peasant. Hi. We have Alex Geek. Meeseeks. Nice to see you. Crypto Crag. What's up? True is here as well. Dave Digital. What's going on, Dave Digital? Gary Gensler's just talking smack with Uncle Jimmy. They have a bromance. Matthew K, nice to see you. I said hi to Randy A already. I think I got everyone. I think I said hi to everyone. If I missed you, please make note of that. M2RSVP is here as well. He's always commenting on the stuff. I appreciate that. Crypto Coffee is here. One for All. I talked to before. And I think I got it. I think I got everyone. I think I say hello. Eric is here. War Player is here as well. Crypto Rado, Haven Peck, what's up? Okay, all right, nice. Mike Volmer, I know I said hi to you before at the beginning. Hi, Kevin. Renga Apes, hi. Nice to see ya. All right, dope. Yeah, Jimmy's got the gala. B-Team, hi. Nice to see you. Yeah, man, guys, we're going so off right now, and I'm so excited again. This is so amazing. This Litecoin giveaway is so lit. That's the only way I could describe it, is litty. If you have not yet, please enter that Litecoin giveaway. And if you haven't yet, also subscribe on Twitter, because I do post exclusive tweets over on the tweeter.com. I highly suggest you guys subscribe to me on Twitter. It is worth it. And also, if you're not a member on here on YouTube, I highly suggest you guys become a member as well. Oh, Crypto Coffee. You gave me a coin. Thank you. I appreciate the coin. That's so cute. It's like a little YouTube coin. Nice. Thank you. I appreciate it. It's X now. Yes, it is. Go on the X and enter that giveaway. Enter that giveaway. Enter the giveaway. Guys, it's popping. Look at how good it is. It's popping. This is beautiful. Hi, David. Nice to see you. Welcome to the stream. Whoa, guys. We're pamping it up 100%. I absolutely love this to the core. Love it. Like I said, I am going to Columbia tomorrow. We're going to pamp it up tomorrow. We're going to go to Columbia University. We're going to have a good time. We're going to hang here in the morning. I'm still going to do my morning stream. Oh, wow. I do have wow, I have things to do today. I'm like thinking and I'm like, wow, I have a full day of love. I have a full day of light. Morty on TikTok wants me to adopt him. I don't know if I could adopt you, Morty. I don't think I'm old enough to have like another person to be responsible for. I feel like I'm very responsible for Emma already. Like Emma's a lot of work and she's like 17. You know what I mean? Kill it tomorrow. Thank you, Kenny O. Much love to you, Kenny O. Much love to every single person in this chat. Like I said, guys, we're in for some crazy, 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 crazy sheesh. Crazy sheesh. Morty, you're 24. Exactly. You can't be adopted. You're too old for that, dude. You gotta be on your own. You gotta like let your wings fly. Am I a mom? No, I'm just like an older sister, which means I'm a mom, essentially. Like, Emma, you'll clean after yourself, Morty. Will you do all the? You're gonna do all the dishes, or are you gonna make sure your bed is made in the morning? Can't have a messy bed. Like that's the thing. Like I get up in the morning and I make my bed once I wake up, so that way my bed looks like pretty. And then like whenever I go I go back in my bed like later on. Like I don't even go in my bed until like really late. I'm like at my computer all day, and like I love like just like having your bed made. I think having your bed made before you go back to bed is probably the best thing. Like really the best thing because it feels so clean, it feels nice. You just like then you mess up the blanket. I don't know. I think it's great. Definitely make your bed in the morning. Emma put the gun down. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I mean, that's why I tell Emma, I'm like, Emma, you gotta like make your bed in the morning. It's like a thing. It's definitely a thing, making your bed in the morning. You'll clean after yourself, Morty? Okay, I got you. All right. I mean, listen, I don't know if like it's normal for someone that's younger to adopt someone that's older, though. I think that's where the conflict really comes in. I think that's really the conflict here. Just get more Bitcoin. Maybe if I had some more Bitcoin, I'd be able to support Morty and adopt Morty. I think I need more Bitcoin for that. Yeah, exactly, Randy. Listen, man, I've been saying, does Emma have her own channel? I wish Emma had her own channel. Emma's channel is just like her in person, just like yelling at me and maybe just throwing things at me because Emma likes to do that once in a while. How young am I? I'm 20. I am 20 whole years old. I can't believe I've been in this space since I was 17. Like, I think about that sometimes and I look back at the videos and I'm like, oh, shoot. Like, that was a long time ago, but it also wasn't a long time ago. I feel like I just got here. But also, I've been here for so long. Do you guys get it? I don't know. Am I just ranting? Am I rambling at this point? Should somebody stop me? I don't think anyone wants to stop me here. What's for dinner? That's a great question. That's a great question, though. I don't know. I mean, it's only 10:50 a.m. Oh, I got a rose? Oh. Thank you. Time is linear. You're 20 TikTok reference. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, listen, I'm very excited, like I said, on the future. I love that I get to rant and ramble with y'all. 40 bands, hi. Who got you into Bitcoin? My dad got me into Bitcoin. Emma was the star of the show. I guess she is in one way or another. I guess she is. Maybe I'm just not here anymore. Maybe Emma should just take over. Maybe I'm done here. Maybe this is my exit. Enter this giveaway, fam. Enter it. You guys know how much I love Litecoin. You guys know I'm so bullish on this halving. And I'm not talking about like money price action. I don't give a sheesh about that, to be honest. I know it's inevitable. But the halving is so important. So important. I have way more work to do. I know, but I actually gotta go. I actually gotta go, friends. I do appreciate every single person coming here today. If you have not yet, please smash these likes, share the stream out with friends, subscribe to the channel. It's halving. I enjoy the halving because we're gonna have a good time. Oh no. Oh no. That was such a bad joke. That is such a bad joke. That's so funny. I'm actually so dead for no reason. Yes, have a fabulous day, Alexander Chi. HALVE. Have. Gotta have a good day. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Again, if you have not yet, check out Cake Wallet, our amazing sponsor, cakewallet.com. So much love for them. Also, check out Market Cipher. You guys know the vibe. But please make sure you guys check out Cake Wallet. Download it. Make sure you guys are ready for that Litecoin halving. The Litecoin halving that's happening on Wednesday. Enter that giveaway to possibly win 2 Litecoin and take part in that halving. Again, that giveaway starts today. It started right during the show and will end Wednesday at 5 p.m. Eastern. You got to follow me, Cake Wallet, like and retweet, comment Litecoin. Let's get Litecoin trending. That's essentially like the backdoor goal that I had doing this was to get Litecoin trending on Twitter because it deserves so much more spotlight than it does now, than it does have. Granted, everyone's talking about it, but not enough. So make sure, again, you guys smash these likes, subscribe, share the stream out with friends. Make sure more people check out the stream and comment after it's over. Let me know how you feel about the Litecoin halving, if you entered that giveaway, and if you guys are feeling so zesty. Oh my God.
Hucksters,
Gary, what are you doing?
fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes,